Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, then you click here on manage my account. Just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on manage third party accesses here. You just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Just switch into open video here. So then here add your email here, and here can you so manage it in this list. When you add your email address here, then you click on Swift. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.